Good morning, Tahmina Khan is here in TKMaths is fun. In today's video for years 7 and 8, I am making this video on directed numbers. Now, directed number question comes in 3-4 ways. Number 1 is addition and subtraction of numbers, multiplication and division, word problems, or in a game form. So I have taken one example of each here. So this first page is basically help you to recall what numbers are, which you learn in class, 2, 3. So if you see a number line here, if this is your 0, so right hand side numbers are all positive and numbers keep increasing here, and left hand side numbers are called negative integers and they keep decreasing here, because -5 is less than -4. Similarly, -6 will be less than -3 or -2. So numbers on the right hand side are always bigger. 0 is not called positive or negative. You should understand this. 0 is just 0. Neither it is counted as a positive number or negative number. Now, in this video, we will see how to add or subtract numbers. So I have taken one example here. -2 plus 5 equals to 3. With the help of number line, if we see, we are standing at -2. Plus sign means you are jumping right. Minus sign means you are jumping left. So if I'm standing at -2 here and I have to jump 5 places to the right, sorry, -2 is here, my mistake, just give me a second. Okay, so if I am here, this is -2 and I have to jump 5 places to the right, so I will jump 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and I have reached to 3. Let's check another example. This is called solving directed numbers with the help of number lines. On the first number, you put yourself and then you jump left or right, depending what do you have here. See this one. Now you are standing at 5. There is no sign, it means it is +5. Now -8 means you are jumping left 8 units from 5. So let's see here, I'm standing here and I will jump 8 units left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have landed at -3. So this is very simple basic concept, but the problem is in year 7 and 8, you cannot do this all the time. What if the numbers are big, for example, -47 plus 50? Do you think you will stand up at -47 and jump right 50 units? That's not possible. It will waste a lot of time. In small questions, when the concept is built up, students are okay to do this. But how will you do it? So now let's see here. You have to remember here only 2 techniques. And there is no other technique in case of addition and subtraction of numbers. So first of all, I'm talking about this blue side, left hand side. What do I mean by same sign? So for example, 2 numbers, for example, -2, -3. When both the signs are same, either they both are negative or they both are positive, like this. In both the cases, you add the numerals. Now this is called numerals. 3 and 2, 5. In this case, 3 and 2, 5. Because the signs are same, this is -2, -3. This is +2, +3. Plus is not written before 2. So you add up the numbers, but what sign you will take? That is something very important. So whatever is the same sign present here, that sign you will write here. Here in the second case, it was plus. So I don't need to write plus because plus we don't write. Let's do another one. For example, I have -10, -9. Now both are negative. So what does it mean? It means you will add up the numerals. So 9 and 10 is 19. Now which sign you will use? The one which is given for both the numerals. Same sign, which is minus. So you'll write minus here. If I have 20 plus 5. Now both are plus. So you will add the numerals. 20 plus 5 is 25. Which sign you will use? which is used in the question. So both are plus, so you will write plus, and plus usually we do not write. So for example, I will take few examples so that you can remember it. Right now I'm talking about the cases when both the numbers have same sign. Here it was negative, here it was both positive, negative, positive. Let's take another negative. -8, -15. Both the signs are negative. Numeral you will add up. What is 15 plus 8? 23, right? Now which sign you will use? Which is used with both the numerals. Now let's come to the opposite sign. I hope you understood this. So when signs are same, we add the numerals and we use the sign which is given to us in the question. Now what do I mean by opposite sign? So one number will plus, other number will be minus. So let me write here, for example, one number is minus, other number is plus. In that case, when one is plus, one is minus, irrespective of which is big and small, for the time being, forget it. You just look at the numerals. One number is 5, other is 4, and the sign with them are opposite. So what you will do? You will subtract the numbers like you know it. So it will come 1 here. But the problem is which sign I will use with 1. I will use plus or I will use minus. How do we decide that? If you know it, wonderful. If you don't know, let me explain. So I told you when the signs are opposite, 1 minus 1 plus, you will always subtract the numbers. The way you do. 5 minus 4 is what? 1. Now which sign you will use? That is important. Come back to the question. This is 5, this is 4. If you forget the sign, which numeral is bigger? 5 is bigger. And the sign of 5 is plus, so I will write here plus. Same question, 4 minus 5. Signs are opposite. This is plus, this is minus. So my answer will have which sign? First of all, decide the numbers. This is 5, this is 4. So 5 minus 4 is 1. Now which sign you will use? The sign of 5 is minus and the sign of 4 is plus. 5 is a bigger numeral, so sign will come negative. Right? Let me write few and you will quickly tell me what is your answer. Okay. Tell me, opposite signs? -7 plus 2. One is negative, one is positive. So I will subtract the numbers. Right? Whenever the signs are opposite, you will subtract it. So 7 minus 2 is what? 15. Which sign I will use? So now if you see here, 2 or 7. Which is the bigger numeral? 7. And the sign of 7 is negative, so that will come here. Similarly, in the down one, 9 is plus, 13 is negative. The last one I'm talking about. So you will actually subtract 13 minus 9 the way you do. So answer will be 5, right? Or 4? 4. Which sign I will use? Now I will see here, this is 13, this is 9. So 13 is a bigger numeral. Its sign is negative, so I will write negative. So this is how you solve the directed numbers. Then in the next video, I will teach you one fun game. Okay, 1 minute. Before I end this video, this is your test. You can put the video on pause and try this. Then I will show you the answer and I will end the video. Okay, so I'm giving you 30 seconds. You can put the video on pause and I'm removing answers. So after doing your working, then you can check the answers I have given here. Is it right? Your work is right or not? You will tell me that. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. Please press like and subscribe button to share it with your friends. In next video, I will show you the real world life problem of plus and minus directed numbers. Thank you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.